So check this out. This is a true 4K wireless display adapter, and it's a great way to mirror your computer or smartphone to any TV, projector, or HDMI video device. It's super simple to use, and it comes in at a good price, plus a 15% off coupon code for you guys watching. By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black, and this is a short, not short product review, straight to the point and no fluff. So this right here is the device. It's pretty small and lightweight. It has an HDMI out and a USB-C port for power. And it does come with a USB-C cord and a short HDMI cable. Then you just need to plug it in and power it on and connect to the proscreencast Wi-Fi. And then you just follow the simple instructions and connect that device to your home Wi-Fi and you're done. This will make it very easy to screen mirror your phone or computer wirelessly direct to that TV or HDMI system that you have it plugged into. It supports true 4K resolution at 60 Hz and HDR color. And it also supports dual bands 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz on the Wi-Fi. And it's also compatible with Android, iOS, Mac OS, Windows, and Chrome OS. Now, Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and all those popular streaming services, they have copyright protections, so you won't be able to stream directly from those apps. But YouTube, social media apps, and other video playing apps will work. But also, I see this more for people that want to share those video memories from your phone to the TV with a family watching. Even more so for like a team of people at work, if they're in a meeting and they might want to share what they're looking at on their screen from their phone or a computer. So if you are looking for something like this, it comes in under $60 US with my discount code. And if you're in an office and want multiple devices, you can get up to 4 unit bundle deals. And I just wanted to share this cool piece of gear with you in case you're looking for a way to share your phone or computer screen to your TV. And now you know what this does and where to get it. So thanks for joining me on another short, not short product review. Don't be a stranger to the channel, and I'll see you next time.